Okay, let's jump right into this explainer and map out your 10-day dream escape to Japan.
Ready for the absolute ultimate getaway? Well, here's exactly how we make it a reality.
You can actually experience the absolute best of the Japanese archipelago in just 10 days. We're talking the neon glow of cosmopolitan Tokyo, vibrant Osaka, and totally historic Kyoto. Plus, you can easily squeeze in epic day trips to Mount Fuji or Nara's sacred deer. You can choose an expert English-speaking guide or just explore totally at your own pace. Either way, logistics are completely handled. We mean traditional ryokan lodgings, pre-booked trains, the whole shebang. The real game changer? A JR Pass gives you unlimited travel across Japan's massive train network. Budget-wise, self-guided packages start around €750, while full group tours are about $2,000. So, you're probably wondering, when is the best time to actually pack your bags? Honestly, every season is pure magic, from spring cherry blossoms to snowy winter Zen gardens. You've got to try the immersive stuff too, like Tokyo cooking classes and authentic Kyoto tea ceremonies. In fact, there are literally 150 different cultural activities you can try out. Crazy, right? With 40 years of experience, experts will organize everything from A to Z for you. We officially invite you to visit Japan. Just check the link in our bio for all the info. So, what'll be the very first stop on your unforgettable Japanese adventure? Let us know.